In this video, we are going to see how we can create the bins and use the bins in Tableau. What is the purpose of it? So let's get started. First of all, we will create a brand new sheet. Right at the bottom, we just click on the plus sign and just write bins example, whatever you want to name it. Now let's put the sales amount in the data set. But before that, we want to create the categories of it. Let's say that we want to analyze how much sales is from 0 to 1000, from 1000 to 2000, 2000, 3000. I want to categorize it in numbers. So it makes easier for us to either, let's say, count the total number of sales that is greater than $5,000. So this kind of data I want to compile. What I'll do is just go to the sales amount and create a bin. Just remember that bins can only be created for the Meyer names. That means any kind of data or fields that are or can be calculated, which is in numbers. So we cannot create the bin for the tables or any kind of numerical or any kind of alphabetical data like beverage item, regions, or dates even. We can use it only for any kind of numbers like create sold, sales amount, and so on. So let's go to sales amount. Let's click on this drop down, click on create and click on bins. Now let's say that the sales amount, I want to change the name to by category, and the category of the bin that we want to create is 1000. We can also click on suggest the bin size. It is suggesting approximately of 12,000 because we have the maximum data up to 35,000. So let's make it 10,000 instead of 1000. Let's go with 10,000. Click OK, and then we have this added as a sales amount by category in the tables. This is created as a new calculated field. What we want to do after that is just put it in the rows and just put the sales amount in the calculated field, and we have the totals right here. So 10k sales, the sales above 10k are 317,000. Let's say instead of sales, we want the count of it. So what we want to do is just go to the rows, or let's say the sum is shown right here in the marks, right? So let's go in here and change the Meyer from sum to count. So this data now means that the 10k or above sales are 20. So we have 20 sales that is within 10k range. 0 to 9,000, all the sales amount within 0 to $9,000 amount is shown right here. There are 16 sales that is between that range. If you want to change the range, what we can do is just right click on this field, click on edit, and let's change the bin size to, let's say, 50,000 now. Click OK, and now we have this kind of data. 0 to 49,000, we have 103 transactions of this total sales amount. Above 50k, we have 95. Above 300k, we have 20 transactions or 20 sales items. And we can use this data or bins to create categories by different ranges for all the data that can be calculated. So this is how the bins can be used. After that, you can apply any chart to it if you want to. And this is how it looks. After that, you can just flip it around if you want to see it like that. And here you go. 0k, 50k, 100k, it is showing the total number of transactions for each category. And that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.